Hi, my name is Julia. I'm with Julia Sue's Stamping. I'm so excited that you're here to hang out with me for a few minutes. Thank you. If this is your first time here, then welcome. And if you've been here lots of times before, then welcome back. It's wonderful to hang out with you for a few minutes. I live in Northeast Ohio. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, so all the things I'm going to be using today are Stampin' Up! Product. If you see anything that you like, then let me know. I am here to help you. Now, if you already have a demonstrator, that's okay. If you choose to use me, though, I appreciate your support of my small business so very much, and I would be honored to be your demonstrator. Today I have the cutest little treat holder to share with you. It's simple, it's versatile, and quite honestly, once you make one, you're going to want to make a whole bunch. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do today is take a quick look at the supplies. I've got Memento Tuxedo Black ink for the one I'm going to create with you at this moment. A little bit of scrap of basic white, some basic black, a little bit of white glimmer paper. The designer series paper that I'm using for this project right now is the Cute as Can Be designer series paper. So adorable. And the stamp set is the Be My Valentine because Valentine's Day is coming up, and so I'm going to use a Happy Valentine's Day stamp sentiment. I'm also bringing in the Bee Builder punch and the 1 3/4 inch punch, circle punch. Taking the designer series paper, I have two pieces that are cut the same size, and for this one I'm making a very small treat holder, so it is 3.5 by 3.5. Whatever you do, just choose two pieces the same size and then fold it in half. I'm going to use the bone folder and I'm going to make that crease nice and tight. Now I've been cutting hearts out of paper since I was a real little kid in grade school. I'm sure that most of you have been doing that. So that's all we do at this point is take the paper snips and cut a heart out of our designer series paper, using that fold as the middle of our hearts and using pretty much the entire designer series paper for our hearts. And I think I'm going to make it so it's not quite so fat. I'm going to go in and cut it just a tiny bit more. There we go, a little more angled. All right, oh, I like that better. That's good, that's very good. Now I'm going to put this in recycling. All right, opening them up, and we have two hearts here. I'm going to have the bees be the inside. So you take those 2 points of the hearts, putting them together. When you would close this, it should look like you have a heart still. Do you see how that works? So I'm going to grab my tear and tape. This tape is nice and super strong, so it's perfect for this. And just like a friendship with these two hearts, they're going to fit together perfectly. So I am sticking them together. Mark it with my fingers where that other one goes, and I'm taking it off, moving it away, and then I'm going to use the tear and tape right where I know it's not going to show for our project. And that's it as far as the tear and tape is concerned. If you're using a bigger piece of paper to make bigger hearts, then you're going to want to use maybe a couple pieces of the tear and tape. Now I took off the paper backing off the tear and tape, and then I'm going to put the heart on there. Oh, good, that's exactly what I want. See how it makes this adorable heart shape? It's functional and it's cute. Kind of like a Hallmark movie, but in paper form. So there we go. All right. Awesome. I'm really happy with how that worked out. So now I'm going to use the sentiment with the Memento Black ink and the sentiment from the Be My Valentine, a little bit of scrap basic white ink up that photopolymer stamp, press it down, came out perfectly. So I'm going to punch it out with the 1 3/4 inch punch, circle punch, getting it in there. I'd say that's just about right, and punch it out. Close up the punch so it stores nice and flat. Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a couple pieces of dimensionals on here on the outside pieces. Take the paper backing off, and that is what is going to be used to close the heart. Close up our little package. See how it stays nice and shut now, and we can put something inside. But I do want to decorate it using the little embellishment here for some punched hearts. I've got the bee builder punch with the black, and now I'm also going to use just a little piece of the white glimmer paper for a small heart. There we go, and all done with the bee builder punch. I think I'm going to use a dimensional on here to put the heart on the outside here. Perfect. A little bit of liquid adhesive to put this. Whoa, that was a lot of liquid adhesive. I think I'll put some of it on this black piece as well. I'm going to put the black piece right here. And now the glimmer piece right there. And it turned out perfectly. So I've got the embellishment, the little punched hearts, some sparkle, and boom, we've got perfection. And I am simply convinced that adding a little bit of shimmer makes everything about 30% better. So I made one using the same designer series paper, and it is with 2 pieces of 4x4. And on this one, we've got pool party hearts along with that glimmer white to add some fun, shiny embellishment. How cute is that? A little bit bigger, holds a little bit more candy. So that's pretty adorable. And then I also have it in the 6x6. I used 2 6x6 pieces of the Timeless Plaid Designer Series paper. This could totally hold a gift card. It is such a good size. There are so many possibilities for this. You can see the stamp set is something that was different. I used the Mixed Labels stamp set, and the modern oval punch with this one did a little bit of shadowing with some early espresso cardstock behind and some fun loops of the Essential Baker's Twine in a crumb cake. Oh my goodness, so versatile. But wait, there's more. I also did it in the Thoughtful Journey Designer Series paper. This one has the white and silver sheer ribbon looped behind the sentiment from Cake Celebrations. I used the Happy Birthday from Cake Celebrations on here with the pretty peacock, and then the modern oval punch has a shadow of pretty peacock behind it. So much fun. This is a beautiful and incredibly versatile little treat holder, fun to make and kind of addicting. It's easy to make a lot of them in no time at all. So I hope that you'll please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more crafty fun. And let me know in the comments what you would put inside your tree holder. Well, who's ready to start making these? But fair warning, you may end up with a table full of them like I did. But hey, that's the fun of crafting, right? All right, I hope that you have an absolutely fantastic day today and that you have an opportunity to get inky. Thanks again for joining me. Bye-bye.